Hello, Namaste and Namaskara to everyone. We, the management staff of ABVK Group of Institutions, are happy to inform that we are starting with special e-learning classes for LKG and UKG, that is pre-primary, batch number 2. Before that, let me explain you how we do our online classes. Firstly, I would like to inform that we have all our e-books content in our school website, which is free of cost to everyone. So everyone can access our e-books. E-books are nothing but soft copy of the textbook, notes, worksheet answers and unit test, as well as we have special video made by our teachers about the explanation of that particular lesson. This is done for all the classes from LKG to 10th standard. And we are very happy to inform that these are our toppers for this academic year 2019-20. Congratulations to those students. Now let us see how we start our online classes. Using our website www.abvkgroup.com. Here I am going to tell you how to log in for our school website www.abvkgroup.com. By clicking on this, I can type enter. When I select enter, automatically the page opens like this. This is our home page. This is how it looks, the home page of our ABVK Group of Institutions. After coming to the home page, we have home, about ABVK and e-learning. For the e-learning courses, as a student, if you want to log in, you can log in as a student by registering before itself. You need to register before using your valid email ID. And today I will tell you how it works with the courses. After you are creating your login ID, you can go to courses. When you select on courses, here the screen appears like this. You have to select your class, select your standard. For example, I will select 4th standard here. Yes, 4th standard. I have selected grade 4. The page appears like this. The category is 4th standard. Here you can see the category is 4th standard. And here you can see the subjects: Hindi, Kannada, Science, Social, English and Mathematics. Let me select Social here. I am going to select the subject Social. When I am selecting the subject Social, you can see the page appears like this: Social Science Standard 4. Here I can see overview and curriculum and instructor. In the overview page, I can see the list of the lessons which are from this chapter or from this textbook. From the social textbook, we have these number of classes or subjects. Then after looking this overview, we can go to curriculum. When I select on curriculum, I can see the files which are updated by the teachers of our ABVK group for the students. So let me go with the first lesson, globes and maps. When I click on globes and maps, the page appears like this. The content is protected. Please log in. Yes, I have not logged in still. Without logging in, I have entered. So I will select on login. I have my user ID, email ID which is already registered. For example, chitra.hr@gmail.com, and I have a valid password which I have already done. No, I am giving us login. So now I have logged in, and there is another content called as enroll. Yes, I have not enrolled still, so I have to enroll for this class. Only once when I enroll for this class, then I can see the content. Then now I am coming to the same page again. I am going to select the first lesson. I need the notes of globes and maps. I am selecting this. When I select globes and maps, the page appears like this. Yes, here you can see a small introduction about the lesson, and when you scroll it down, you can see explanation of the lesson here completely. And then when coming to here, I can see the soft copy of the textbook. Soft copy of the textbook, globes and maps. Click here to download. When I click on this, click here to download, see there is a page where I am getting the sheet open. Here I can take the textbook. See, Here the textbook appears like this. So this page can be downloaded by me by clicking on the download option here. Can you see the download link here? Yes, like this. Then again I can see here, when I scroll it down, I can see Globes and Maps notes and worksheets, and I have soft copy of the key answers as well as UT. So all these copies are available for me when I log in into the website. And I have one more special option, YouTube, that is video. I can click on this video and see the video here. So this is the video link. By selecting this video, I can watch it. Next, I would like to explain you about our YouTube channel. We have our special YouTube channel named as ABVK Group of Institutions. When you go to YouTube, you have to click on ABVK Group and enter, or ABVK Group of Institutions. The page appears like this. So this is our website, this is our logo of this group of institutions and ABVK Group. When I click on this, the page appears like this, the home page of our ABVK channel. So when I enter to this channel, I can see all the videos which are already uploaded by our teachers here. But when I want to go to particular class, then I have to go to playlist. When I go to playlist, I can see the n number of classes which are available here, like ABVK Standard 10, ABVK Standard 9, ABVK Standard 4, ABVK Standard 3, and this is support for the students, and ABVK Standard 1, ABVK Standard 2. So we have one more support for teachers also here. In this, for example, I want to see any video of the Standard 2. So when I select on Standard 2, there is already one video which I have already selected. I can see this. So in this way, our teachers have explained the lessons. I can show you here. See, this is some examples. Yes. So like this is a lesson from Early Humans. Our teachers have done their own PowerPoint presentations, and using that they have created the videos. This is a sample of videos which you have already uploaded in YouTube. This YouTube videos can be watched by everyone. It's also free of cost, and we are not charging anything for the students of other schools also, as well as other public people also, for their data. They can take our data and take the help of all the content which we have uploaded according to their classes. It is free of cost for everyone. Now let me explain about how we are going to use with the WhatsApp app. Yes, through the WhatsApp is the main portal where we are going to communicate with the parents and students. For example, let me take a class here, for example, first standard. See, first standard. Here, this is the page where first AGI, first standard, ABVK Group of Institutions, e-learning group. In this we will have all the teachers sending the links to join for the Zoom app. As we spoke earlier, we are conducting all the online classes through the Zoom app. The scheduled Zoom meeting link will be sent in the WhatsApp group. Through this, all the children can log in. Students can log in using either the link or by using the meeting ID and passcode. So like this, all the teachers will be sending the link in this group, and along with the link they will be sending us the data. For example, like worksheet, here there is a PDF copy, worksheet and video. We can see a video already sent here by the teacher, and this is the work which is already sent by the teachers. This is the notes, class work, and there is a work also given by the teacher in the group itself. The teacher is sending us the data of worksheet, notes and all this. So like this, the teachers will be sending us the data. In the same way, Teachers will be sending the assessments link also to do the assessments through the WhatsApp group using Google Sheets. The Google Sheet link will be like this. For example, this is the 10th standard computer subject Google Sheet which is sent by the teacher to complete the assessment for the marks 25. This indicates that this star indicates that it is compulsory. Now the child has to enter the name here first and then school name and then class. They can select this class by scrolling down here using this. So you will have all the classes here, and then they can enter the password. The password also will be given by the teacher in the WhatsApp group. That password must be entered by the child here, and then when they click on next, the question paper will appear. So in this way, using Google Forms, they will be attempting the assessments, the online exams or tests. Now let me explain you in briefly about the admissions of e-learning classes for the new LKG and UKG batch, which is completely online. The classes are starting from 1st of September. Registration starts from 14/8/2020 and we have very limited seats. Coaching fee for the courses will be for LKG and UKG it is 10,000 up to 24/08/2020. After 24th of this month, coaching fee will be 15,000. This offer is only for the first come first service basis. Those who come first, they will get these admissions done. When the seats are closed, definitely we don't follow with this nominal of 10,000. The fee structure will be increased to 15,000. Admission is accepted only after the payment of 100%, that is total fee. For example, if it is 10,000, 10,000 must be paid in advance, or if it is 15,000, that also must be paid in advance. That will be for the academic year 2021 only for online classes. Books will be delivered directly to the doorsteps only when the advance payment is done either by cash or by online payment. Next, WhatsApp or offline classes. This is WhatsApp or offline classes, nothing but, as I explained previously, we will be sending the pre-recorded videos or the worksheets or the soft copy content between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. to the students. And we have special online classes, as we said, that is for 3 days. In a week, 6 days are divided into 2 parts. 3 days will be offline classes, that is through WhatsApp, and 3 days we will have online classes using the Zoom link. All our website content is already available at abvkgroup.com. Even after missing, if you are missing any classes or if you have missed any soft copies, no need to worry. You can just log in at abvkgroup.com and take the material whichever it is required. For example, if you don't have the notes, you can take the notes from there. If you don't have the manual textbook also, no need to worry. We can take the soft copy of the notes from the website. At the end of the academic year course completion, certificate with the photo of the student will be given from ABVK group of institutions. We will be giving the course completion certificate. For example, if it is the child has completed LKG class through online, then he will get LKG course completed certificate with the photo of the child by ABVK group of institutions. Formative assessments will be done twice in a year and summative assessment will be done once, that is final exam, through online mode itself. And 100% all the portions whichever it is prescribed by the Board of Education will be completed by us for both LKG and UKG classes. Meeting with parents will be done either online or by live, that is offline. That will be held 4 times during the period of course completion. That will be held 4 times. And there is no requirement for uniforms, so no need to purchase any uniforms for the online classes. And this is very important note which must be checked. Note, these online students who are enrolling through online for the online classes will not be eligible to come to school even if the school reopens. Even if the schools are reopened, online students will be staying back at home and they will be learning their content from home. No payment is refundable. We are not going to refund any payments, and it is not transferable from one person or one child to the other child from the beginning to the end of the session. For any reason, parents are not supposed to talk with the teachers during live classes. When the live classes are going on in the Zoom app, none of the teachers are supposed to talk with the teachers. None of the parents should talk with the teachers. However, parent can discuss the same thing after the class. After the online class, they can call via voice call, and they can speak with the teachers. These are our group of schools. Number 1, ABVK school, that is Amrita Bharati Vidya Kendra at Whitefield. Trinity school for pre-primary classes for nursery, LKG and UKG at Whitefield. And we have the Green Garden school from nursery to 10th standard at Valepura. And we have Gurukul Vidya Mandir from nursery to 8th standard at Vattur. For all your admission inquiries and all your doubts, you can kindly contact this number 9900070048. By contacting us, we will be giving you all the details whichever it is required. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video.